Welcome to a SIM code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will code basic Web Application Firewall WAF. This script acts as a simple WAF by filtering HTTP requests based on predefined rules. Define a list of blocked IP addresses. Block requests from certain IP addresses. Check if the requester IP is in the blocked list. Deny access with a 403 forbidden response. A sample endpoint to demonstrate access. Run the app on all available interfaces. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a SIM code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.